Hello everyone, 2025 is here and Dubai real estate is already buzzing with the activity. I've seen getting a lot of calls and messages lately with the questions like, what can we expect this year? Should I invest now or wait? Will the market slow down or keep growing? Which are the best areas to invest in? And so on. I get it. These all absolutely valid questions, and whether you are an investor, a first-time buyer, or just curious about the market trends, this video is for you. Let's look into what 2025 has in store for Dubai's real estate market, and if there is something specific you want me to cover, drop it in the comment and I'll make sure to answer your questions. Dubai's real estate market had a phenomenal 2024 with a record-breaking sales, booming investor confidence, and market that just keep growing. And 2025, well, it's shaping up to be another big year. Let's start with something that's being driven this growth for years: the population growth. According to S&P, Dubai's population is set to reach 4 million by 2026 with the support of professionals and investors moving here for better opportunities. But guess what? We might hit that number even earlier, which is by the end 2025. In 2023, Dubai had 3.7 million residents without including commuters. That means we are adding hundreds of thousands of new people every year. More people equal more demand for housing. And the highlight is that it's not just any expats moving in. Instead, Dubai is becoming a magnet for millionaires and ultra-high net worth individuals. Dubai is now home to 72,500 millionaires, 212 centi-millionaires, which are the people with $100 million and plus in asset. Experts predict 150% increase in centi-millionaire migration to the UAE by 2040. So, what does this mean for real estate? More luxury buyers, higher demand for prime properties, and a strong market overall. When it comes to Dubai's economy and real estate growth, we can say that this city isn't just growing. Instead, it's flourishing to its best. The government has already launched Dubai Economic Agenda D33, a plan to double the size of the economy in the next 10 years. That means 25.6 trillion dirham in foreign trade, more job opportunities, and more business and investment. And real estate is right at the center of all this growth. The service sector such as real estate, hospitality, and finance is expected to keep driving Dubai's economy, with the gross domestic product growing at around 3% per year. With all this happening, it's no surprise that Dubai remains a global hotspot for property investment. All right, let's talk about something everyone is asking. What's happening with the prices in 2025? Dubai real estate prices shoot up by 20% in 2024, and they are still rising. According to the new report by Knight Frank, we are expecting 8% growth in overall residential prices in 2025 and 5% increase in luxury property prices. So, if you are thinking of buying, waiting might cost you more. Why is this growth more sustainable? You might be wondering, are we heading for a property bubble? Well, experts say no. This time the market is much more stable. Here is why. No risky speculation. We are not seeing people buying homes just to flip them overnight. Higher down payment, meaning investors now need more upfront cash, which keeps the market balanced. More end users, real buyers are purchasing homes to live in, and this is making the market even stronger. Now let's take a look into the rise of million-dollar homes. Did you know that out of the 530,000 homes sold out in Dubai since 2002, at least 95,000 are now worth over $1 million. A few years ago, $1 million home was ultra luxury. Today, it's just average price for a family villa. That shows how much Dubai real estate has grown in value. Who is buying and why? And why is the demand still so high? It all started with Dubai's smart pandemic response and the new visa policies. After that, the foreigner investors have rushed in, especially Russian, Indian, and the crypto world. Eventually, the waterfront villas became ultra hot. Developers like Palm Jumeirah, Palm Jebel Ali, and Dubai Marina are now some of the world's most expensive neighborhoods. Likewise, golf course residences has also gained demand over time. Ultra luxury properties aren't just homes, instead they are status symbol and smart investment. The luxury and ultra luxury real estate are going to be the big winners in 2025. If there is one thing we know for sure is that Dubai's luxury market is booming. High-end properties are still the center of attention, and demand is showing the sign of slowing down. Homes priced above $5 million have made up over 40% of luxury sales year after year. That tells us one thing: Dubai remains a top choice for ultra-wealthy buyers. Luxury real estate has been a breaking record again in 2024. The luxury market saw a massive 35% surge in transaction. And guess what? 2025 is shaping up to be even bigger. Buyers from Europe and Asia are still investing heavily. The average price per square foot in a prime location is expected to rise another 10 to 12% this year. Some of the hottest luxury spots under this segment include the Oasis by Emaar, Solaya by Miras, Bulgari, Palm Jumeirah, Emirates Hills, Maidan, and Mohammed bin Rashid City. These areas are all about status, lifestyle, and long-term value. Actually, why are luxury homes still experiencing high demand? Unlike previous real estate cycle, this is not just short-term boom. The luxury market is more stable than ever. Dubai is now selling luxury by setting a higher level global standard for it. Now, what's really driven Dubai's real estate boom in 2025? With no doubt, we can say that it's economic growth and investor confidence. Because let's be real, why are people investing in Dubai instead of in New York and London? Well, the numbers speak for themselves. UAE's economy is growing fast with 4% GDP growth in 2024. Jumping to 4.5 in 2025 and the projected 5.5 in 2026. Zero property tax, investor-friendly policies keeps more money in your pocket. Incredible rental yield of Dubai offers an average 7% yield in real estate, which is almost double than New York 4.2% and triple than London 2.4%. Why is Dubai's real estate still undervalued? You might be thinking that Dubai is really expensive, but here is the fact. The average price per square foot in Dubai is just $438, which is equivalent to 1,608 dirham. If we take comparison, New York is over $2,000 per square foot. London is $1,500 per square foot and plus. Hong Kong is $3,200 per square foot, which means Dubai is offering a luxury lifestyle, world-class infrastructure, and tax-free property ownership, all at a fraction of the cost. And this is exactly why investors are rushing in here in Dubai. But what about renters? And of course, not everyone is looking to buy. The forecast for 2025 based on the latest transaction data and the current market trend is 11% increase in short-term rental, up to 6 months compared to 2024, with the long-term rentals, which are 6 months or more, expected to rise by around 13%. Looking at the current trend and demand, rental costs are expected to spike in 2025, expected to rise up to 25% in certain areas. So, if you are a landlord, well, you are in a great position right now. What about housing supply and demand? But what's happening with supply versus demand? Will there be enough homes for everyone moving to Dubai? Actually, the city is expected to see 300,000 new homes between now and the end of 2025. But here is the catch. Among that, 80% will be apartment and only 17% will be villa. So, will there be a villa shortage? Yes, just 8,900 villa by the end of 2024 and 19,700 more in 2025. Compare that the massive demand and you can clearly see why villa prices are skyrocketing. So, will there be enough homes for purchasing? According to Knight Frank, Dubai will need anywhere between 37,600 to 87,700 new homes every year to accommodate the growing population that is expected to reach 5.8 to 8.6 million people by 2040. But here is where it gets tricky. 30% of projected homes actually get delayed every year, meaning that instead of 300,000 new homes, we'll likely see only 210,000 units completed over the next 6 years. That means around 35,000 homes per year, which is not enough to keep with the demand. And what happens when demand is high but the supply is limited? Obviously, the prices go up. Which areas are facing the biggest shortage? If you are looking to invest, here is what you need to know. Prime locations like downtown Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, vacancy rates have dropped below 10%. That means very few homes are available, pushing the prices even higher. Coming to off-plan properties, the demand is surging because buyers know new homes are getting more expensive. And the luxury segment is expected to see 7 to 10% price growth in 2025 due to supply shortage. Even affordable housing in new districts is seeing a price increase since more people are moving to Dubai.